Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be doing a style with me my wig video. I have actually done a video on this particular hair before, but I recently dyed the hair a new color. So if you guys are on my TikTok, then y'all already seen the wig because I've been wearing a wig for the last few weeks. If you are not on my TikTok, make sure you follow my TikTok and go look at the videos. But I did a video on my channel a few months ago, and it was actually the 99J red wig that I did. And y'all, I ended up dyeing it because the hair was giving me Ronald McDonald. Yes, Ronald McDonald. It was very much so giving me Ronald McDonald, so your girl dyed the hair. So this is how the hair looks now. It's like a burgundy. It's a real fall type of red. I love this wig, y'all. Like, I'm so in love with this wig now. After I dyed the hair is still very much so movable. Like, this is probably the best wig I have had in a while. So I'm going to show y'all how I style this wig and how I install it. I did a video on this makeup look, so if y'all want to see this makeup look, make sure you watch the previous video. First, I already like gelled down my edges and stuff for the video. Now I'm gonna add on my wig cap. I'm gonna add the wig cap on. I always like to make sure my edges are like put back, so none of your edges are damaged. And I've been wearing lace wigs for about a few months now, y'all, so I would notice because I still have all my edges. So the glue I'm going to be using is the Bold Hold Active Glue, the best hair glue you're going to get out in the game, y'all. Where is it at? It's right here. Now, y'all, I already styled my wig. I like to style my wig on a mannequin prior to me putting on the wig. It's just so much easier for me to style my wig on a mannequin head versus doing it on my head. So my hair is pretty much already styled out. The only thing I have to do is lay it. Yeah, the only thing I have to do is just lay it and do my baby hairs. And I'm gonna pretty much show y'all how I do that. So yeah, so let's put the wig all the way on, make sure it's on. All right, y'all, so I got my band off. So now we're gonna do these baby hairs and we're gonna make it quick because your girl got some more content to film. So how I do my baby hairs is first I'm going to curl them. I'm going to curl them first and make sure, this is why I like styling on my mannequin head, because everything is pretty much done already. So it makes it really easier to put it on. And then I'm gonna do my sideburns as well. Oh y'all, hope I didn't get no glue into my sideburns. If not, it is what it is. Okay, y'all. Now, take your favorite edge brush and whatever you like to use to style your edges. I personally like to use foam to style my edges. So the foam that I'm going to be using is this Lotta Body. I got from Beauty Supply store. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on my finger. Put a little bit on there. And I'm gonna go to work. And you wanna make sure you using that finger, honey. Use that finger to style. And it should look something like this. And then you wanna do your sideburns. May need a little bit more foam. Perfect. That simple. We're gonna leave it like that. We're not gonna add no more into there, y'all. So this is a final look. My lace is a little bulky, but it's cool. We're gonna make it do what it do. Just comb this out. And then I'll probably add a little bit more concealer. See if I have any more on this brush. Right here. To make it kind of blend a little bit more. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. If you guys like the makeup look, if you like the hair, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because girl, we got so much more coming into tune. So thanks y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.